Hello, cherished viewers. My name is Millicent Koda, and I welcome you all to Nyo Wife channel once again. In our previous lessons, we look at basic expressions in Ewe. However, in this section, we are going to look at kinship tense.
Go. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abaviola tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe. Nɔviwo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abaviola tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe.
How do you address your family members in Ewe? We are going to look at this tense. You address your mother as Dada, No, or Nana. You address your father as Fofo, Tata, or Papa. You address your child as V. You address your sibling as Novi. You address your elder brother as Fo or Afo. You address your elder sister as Da. You address your female child or your daughter as Vinyɔnu. You address your son as Viŋutsu. You address your grandmother as Mama. Your grandmother will address you as Mamayɔvi. You address your grandfather as Tɔgbui. Your grandfather will address you as Tɔgbuiyɔvi. You address your father's elder brother as Tɔgã. You address your father's younger brother as Tɔɖia or tɔɖɛ. You address your father's sister as Te, Ete, or Tasi. You address your mother's elder sister as Dadagã or Daagã. You address your mother's younger sister as Dadaɖia or Daadĩa. You address your spouse's father as To. You address your spouse's mother as Nyo. You address your wife's brother as Nyo. You address your husband's elder sister as Sronyonto. You address your spouse's elder brother or sister as Srogã. You address your spouse's younger brother or sister as Srovi. A mother-in-law will address her daughter-in-law as Nyo. A father-in-law will address his daughter-in-law as Toyovi. Now, this is for you, our viewers. How do you call an adopted child in Ewe? Kindly leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you.